Welcome back to Nugget Garage. This time we're going to make this pile of crap actually run.
It's going to take a fair bit of an effort. We've got to do fuel tank. I think we're going to use a fuel cell that I've got sitting on the shelf there and just cut and modify it. We've got to finish the fuel system. We've got to finish intercooler pipes. Transcooler still has to be done. I've got to put battery leads, battery in it, alternator, power supply.
Yeah, there's a fair bit to get done in it.
I've got to do relays on the fan and the fuel pump, because fuel pump's going to be at the front now, so I didn't allow for that in my harness. I'll have to run extra wires for that. What else?
Got a fair bit to do anyway, so we'll get into it anyway.
So and make some noise by the end.
Make some noise. Won't be a good noise, but it'll be noise.
Something.
Time for going. You put oil in it, right? No oil pressure. Alright, yep. Getting pressure. Almost 50. You! Oil pressuring.
Sounds like awesome already.
Don't. What's that? No video. The what? The teeth strippers. It's too late. Fuel pressure test.
Yeah, I'd like to have some bare sparky wires around for when I do fuel tests, just to make it more interesting. Stop, drop and roll.
Oh, that works. No leaks that I'm seeing.
So wait up.
Oh, we've got a leak. Yeah, this one's leaking. That's leaking. Fitting
Behind it or at the back?
behind it, I think.
O-ring.
Maybe. I'd say it's the O-ring. It should at least be clean down there. The other side alright?
Yeah.
Sweet. That's only one leak. Could possibly go wrong.
Leak your side, just make sure you don't spark too much because you might be able to dance.
Good. Stop, drop and roll, right?
Yeah, that's right.
You're right. Oh,
So something on that fitting.
something wrong with that fitting. That'll work. No leak.
I thought it'd make it run, I guess. I only really have to touch two wires here.
Really? Want fuel?
I can't stop it. Still happy with anything that I'm telling you, eh? 2006. We went actually further.
let the gloriousness begin. There was a flame. You said this. No, this isn't glorious. That also wasn't glorious. It was loud, but not glorious. That's hideous. Methanol shutdown. Drag car shutdown stuff. It did a thing. Temporary starter motor, custom. Oh, I killed it.
Oh, hello.
Is that's not the noise we wanted though, is it? Oh! Makes noises. You make a fine bogan.
Maggie.
That truly is horrifying.
Can we turn it off now?
Please. Please turn it off. Alright, well that's it, running finally. Actually took quite an effort to get it running.
Yeah, we killed 2 starter motors.
Yeah, killed a couple of starter motors. It's,
I think it actually ended up being a corrupt map that I was trying to run.
yeah, because it was really funny. It would start and
Yeah.
run and then would not restart. So
So I loaded another map with actually pretty much identical trio sequencing, and it now runs perfectly, and it's pretty much, if you compare the 2 maps, it's exactly the same. So there was something screwy going on there.
yeah, it was a bit weird, but
Mind you, these are electronics that have been, bought in the last 5 years and they're even powered up. So something could have been amiss in there.
could be a bit ordinary in that. Yeah. So anyway, it's all done. Cooler piping's done.
Yeah, we ended up cutting and shutting a existing fuel cell, mounting a pump to it. Kept it all in the bay, that way it's pretty easy to maintain.
Yeah, and race car stuff because of race car.
We still don't have a mark on the balancer, so I've just done the timing by ear. So we'll have to figure that out more accurately, I think.
Yeah, it runs.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, fine. Do it properly.
And we ran the gearbox through the gears. Goes forward and it goes backwards.
It's got gears too. Got second hand.
I have to do electronics for the shifting, but it works.
Yeah, so we've still got a fair bit to do. We've still got to do the rest of the exhaust, which is pretty much just going to be a side pipe, I guess, isn't it? Yeah, we'll just do a side pipe.
I've still got to do the dash panel. Still got to mount the shifter.
Got to do your gauge here from 1982. Yeah.
Gonna do it. It's down there at the moment.
Yeah, that was our oil pressure tester. There's a few jobs on it, maybe air filtery, feed looking junk.
Probably put a radiator overflow on it.
Yeah, so I've still got to round up power steering lines
and brake lines.
Gets brakes. I've still got rear brakes to put on it. We've still got to do something about a diff centre because it's only an open wheeler standard diff at the moment. So we've got 389 diff gears, or unless we can find some 345s or something, might be a bit better. Hey, and,
I don't know if it's going to rev much past 6,000. So
yeah, so we've got a full spool centre coming. Eventually, could be. Is that ordered? It is. Oh, it's not ordered. Good. All right, we don't have it yet coming. or there's a welder over there somewhere. One of the two. Yeah, so there's still quite a bit of stuff to do on it yet.
And it sounds just as glorious as we thought it would.
Yeah, it is absolute rubbish. Yeah.
I think I'll use earplugs.
Yeah, it's absolutely a bloody horrible noise.
Actually,
some people like it.
It does sound a little bit Porsche-ish, actually.
It does, and not only you smooth it out. So it does a little bit.
Yeah.
So anyway,
all right,
it'll do. We'll see what it does and
get into it and get another video.
Get into it another time. See you next week.
Yep. It's horrible.
It is hideous.
You're driving it.
You like that? What's that computer, mate?
It's Uncle Daz's stage 7 cop jet. No limiter.
Oh, sick.
No speed cut.
That's going to be sick.
Apparently it used to beat Ferraris and everything.
It's going to be hectic as.
Back in the VN.
I can hear the mangs already. How does that work? I'm going home.